How to fix Outlook when it won't start. So here I am in my desktop, and then for example, if you try to open Outlook and it won't start, what you can do is that we can repair it. So as you can see, when I press Outlook, I can still access my Outlook application. But in some instances before, there are some problems where when I try to open Outlook, it doesn't really do anything. So if that happens, what we can do is that we can repair or reset Outlook. So to do that, just go right here to search and then type in installed applications. And then you can see the installed apps system settings right here. So just click on it. And then from here, we just need to find Outlook. So right here in the search bar, you can just type in Outlook. And then it should now appear right here. And then what you can do is that you can click the three dots right here and then click Advanced Options. From there, you can scroll down and then you will see the reset section right here. So you can try repairing Outlook first to see if it will fix the problem. Like for example, it says right here, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. So the app's data won't be affected. So it will just try to repair the Outlook application without affecting your data. So if it's still not working, what you can do is that you can go ahead and reset the Outlook application. So as you can see, if this app still isn't working right, reset it. So keep in mind that the app data will be deleted, but don't worry, you can still just go ahead and log into your Outlook account again so that you can access your Outlook emails. And then from here, you can just click repair. And then it says right here, we couldn't repair this app, try again in a bit. So this is because the Outlook application is open. So we just need to close that, click terminate. And then we can go back right here to install the apps. And then let's open Outlook again. So I can just scroll down to letter O. And then we have Outlook. Click Advanced Options. From here, go back right here, click Repair. And then now, as you can see, the repair is finished. Now you can try opening Outlook again to see if the problem is fixed. So in my case, there isn't any problem with my Outlook and I can open it automatically or immediately. So if you are still having a problem, you can try resetting the application. So again, keep in mind that it will permanently delete the app data on your device or on your computer, including your preferences and sign-in details. So you can just click reset and then it will reset Outlook back to its default state. And then you just need to sign into your Outlook account again so that you can access your Outlook emails. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix Outlook when it won't start. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.